Hey, Dream Tech team. I just thought I'd send this to you. Jackson asked about the class notebook, and I know some of you are already using it, but I wanted to show you just a cool feature that I found that I think, especially now that we're doing everything online, it's just really easy feedback. So if I go to my period 5 class and they go to their class notebook, I don't know, it's so slow right now. um, So I'm going to look at a student that I know has already started her work because she's been back and forth and I've been checking it. So when they get to class notebook, they'll come to this welcome page and every student sees this page and it just kind of explains what it is and whatnot. And then I'm going to go to Cassie because I know that she's done her work or some of it. And this is how I broke it down, which obviously, like if we were in school, it might look a little bit different, but online, this is just how I felt like it worked best. So the first page is just my office hours for the week. Sometimes I change the times just because I see what the kids like the best, but it explains what we do during each of the office hour sessions. And then I also created a to-do list for them. So it's a checklist. So I'm really trying to break it down as much as possible because I've noticed that this has been just more positive, and I think it's because it's just a lot more organized and everything is in one place. So even though I'm posting it on our class Instagram and our class website, the work itself is all on here, and then they can kind of just check it off as they go. And then, so this is the overview. So I wanted to do something like this because I usually give the students a little like tab that they put in their interactive notebook that has the learning target and success criteria on it already. So I still gave that to them, and then they had to watch this interactive or engaging video that was actually on Discovery Ed. And then they just answered these fun questions, which obviously for Cassie, it was kind of sad because she's never been to a baseball game. So she typed directly on this, which is really easy and great. And then I gave them vocabulary terms, and what they needed to do here was just annotate keywords and phrases. And then obviously their practice page, and I said that somehow you needed to show all your work. However, I did make a tutorial before I sent this out and sent the tutorial out to them first, explaining like how to draw and how to use the pen and stuff like that. So I think that I've gotten a lot of great feedback from this because I gave the kids a little survey and to see which one they liked better, like this or what I've been doing the past few weeks. And most of them, if not all of them, liked this better. What I wanted to show you too is something that I found that was I've been using it consistently now since distance learning happened and started. If you go to Chrome and you type in talk and comment, it's like an extension and you just have to download it. So I've already downloaded it, but you would just download it and then this blue microphone pops up and that means that it's downloaded on your computer. And then when you get to like your class notebook or whatever, there is going to be a blue little microphone on the side. So this is how I've actually been leaving quick and immediate feedback, is doing something like this. So I'll insert a new box and I will say something like, please listen to this, I'll say voice note. And when you click it, it actually records and then you can just copy the link onto here. So if I start clicking it, hey Cassie, great job girl. I am so proud of you. Keep it up, okay? So now this pops up and it says the link was already copied, but I'm one of those people. I copy it anyway. I don't know why. So I copy it and then I press OK. And then I just make a link on here by clicking insert and link and paste. I don't know. You have to get rid of that voice, like in the parentheses of voice now. I don't know why it does that. And insert. And then when she gets on here, like I usually put it in red. So like that's like my grading pen or whatever. But when she clicks on this, it will take her to this. And then she can play my feedback. I will let you know what's really weird is that the like sound is so off. Like if I play it, it's
Hey Cassie, great job, girl. I am so
so like me and the kids have been like making a joke out of this now because I'm like I do not sound like that. But yeah, that's what I've been using on Class Notebook, and I feel like it's gotten a lot more positive feedback, and the last several weeks I was getting like around like 65 to 70% of my kids doing the work consistently, and it's only Wednesday and I have about 75%. So I think that this will increase the amount of kids who actually complete their work. So yeah, hopefully, sorry, I didn't realize how much time I was taking, but hopefully that was helpful. And that was like a cool little helpful hint with the voice command thing. Okay, I'm done. Okay, bye.